In this video, I'll show you how to open a HTML file on your iPhone. So to do this, you first need to head over to the App Store and we're just going to search for an app called Koder. Now, this is a completely free app that you'll need to install to your device, and this is going to allow us to open the HTML file. So once you've installed this, simply launch up the application like so, click on Open Koder, and then in the bottom left-hand side, press the plus icon. Select Import Files from Files, and from here, you'll need to locate your HTML file. Mine's this sample2 over in the left hand side. Once you've selected your file, click on open, and as you can see, it's now been added to this local folder. So from here, you can click on your HTML file. This is going to open all of the contents, and from here we can obviously edit it and make changes. You can also preview your HTML file by clicking on the eye icon in the top navigation, and that's going to show you what the HTML file looks like on a website. So it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you open HTML files on your iPhone. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.